Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I hope you all had a nice Christmas. I know I did. Spent it with my family. It was good times. Today is the 30th, so I'll probably have this up at midnight. So happy New Year's. It will be New Year's Eve when I put this up. So happy New Year's Eve as well. Hope your New Year's is safe. I personally am not that, I don't care that much about New Year's, like whoop-de-doo. But I had another coworker stated that, you know, he likes it because, you know, basically everyone's partying at the same time. And I can see that. So I got a little bit overdue mail calls I'm going to do right now. Some Christmas cards and something from Plain Old Chuck. So we'll do that and then we'll draw this week's channel shout out. And we'll go from there.
We got ourselves a mail call.
Alright. So a couple of these cards I've actually had for a little while, so I do apologize for not opening them sooner. Got one here from Eddie at Backyard Custom Knives. Very cool guy. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. Got another one here from Nikki St. Laurent. Very nice card. Thank you, sister. Appreciate that. Got another one here from Dave Coulier. I think I'm saying it right. At least I hope I am. Thank you, brother. Oh, I think I got I got a sticker as well. Sweet. Be adding that to my board. Thank you, brother. I'm running out of room for cards. I got one here from Expeditionary Johnny. If I can get it out. Oh, cool. It's actually just like a postcard from his family. Appreciate that, brother. Got one here. I know that handwriting anywhere. It's, from Donna. Dream Creations and Adventures. A real sweet lady. That's a card. I appreciate that, sister. That's what's in here. Oh yeah, another sticker from her too. So I'll add that to my board as well. Thank you, sister. She wrote a nice note, which I'll read off camera. And I got one here from my brother Chris Stone at Chris's Variety Channel. And all the channels will be linked down in the description. There you go. That's a card from Chris. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. And Plain Old Chuck was doing a kind of a surprise giveaway. And he actually put it up on the screen but didn't say anything. But I happened to catch it, so I commented. I already know what it is, but it is a Bushcraft and Survival File Lighting by Andrew Perry. I hope I'm saying your name right, brother. Mad Dog Survival. Give me something to read. Looking forward to reading this. Let me look at a note. Congrats. Hope you enjoy. Oh, I will, brother. I'm probably gonna be. I'm gonna be reading that very soon. This is actually on my Amazon wish list, but it was kind of on my wish list, but I hadn't actually ordered it yet, so this was timely. So let's move all this out of the way for this week's drawing. All right, real quick. I got Dave's sticker here, Donna's sticker right beneath, underneath Bill Melton. I miss that guy, but I get the this is the ones I've had drawn already. This week's channel shout out. Let's see when we get, oh, well, we got two popping out. Well, we'll run with it. So we got Michael Outdoors. And we got, oh, weird. I got Michael outdoors twice. I don't know how the hell that happened. I must have put him in there 2 times. That's funny. How weird is it that both of them came out at literally the same time? I don't know what the odds of that are, but man, that's crazy. So of course, I will link all the channels mentioned in the description, and I'm sure I saved. Oh, I got it in my Amazon wish list, so I'll get this book posted. So if you want to go give it a look, I'm gonna use your note, Chuck, as a bookmark when I start reading this. I'll probably start reading it tonight. All right, well, many thanks to all of you for the Christmas cards. I appreciate that very much. Again, a little apologies for the long delay. I've actually had some of them for several days. And also our mail has been late because it's been snowing, which I might take the camera with me because I'm going to try to run down to Costco and the store and then come home because they talked me into working tonight and tomorrow. So, but I have a tub to replace, so it's kind of what's been occupying my time. I've been working on getting a new shower put in, so that's going to be a little bit of money. Anyway, thanks again. We'll catch you in the next one.